Understanding Life on the Run, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, life on the run. It's an idiom that you might encounter in various contexts, from movies to everyday conversation. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations. Life on the run is an idiom that refers to a lifestyle of constant movement or travel, often due to pressure or necessity rather than choice. It implies a sense of urgency and a lack of stability. This phrase is frequently used to describe someone who is evading capture, responsibilities, or difficult situations. It can be both literal, as in the case of a fugitive, or metaphorical, like someone trying to escape their problems. Understanding the origins of idioms can be helpful in grasping their meanings. The phrase, life on the run, likely originated from the literal idea of someone having to move or travel constantly to avoid being caught or facing a problem. Over time, it has evolved to include a broader range of situations where someone is constantly moving or changing locations for various reasons. To better understand how life on the run is used, let's look at some examples. 1. Fugitives. After the bank robbery, the criminals led a life on the run from the police. 2. Avoiding problems. Ever since he lost his job, he's been living a life on the run, moving from city to city. 3. In literature and movies, the novel describes the protagonist's life on the run in a dystopian society. While you may not find yourself discussing fugitives daily, this phrase can be used metaphorically in everyday English. For example, I've been living a life on the run trying to balance work and school. Since the divorce, she's led a life on the run, avoiding any serious commitments. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, life on the run. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to our language, making it more vivid and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use life on the run in your conversations when appropriate. See you in our next video, and happy learning!